Hi, this is Suvarna Rao, working as an assistant professor, Department of Information Technology, IARE College of Engineering, Hyderabad. I am taking the subject is e-commerce. Already several classes is over. Now I will go into the one of the important topic is types of e-commerce payment system. Types of electronics payment system. Okay. This is also one of the important and essential thing of the any e-commerce business. Most of them e-commerce business based on the B2B and B2C and reverse of the things also. Here, the everything transaction is the financial transaction is the very important thing. Now, the topic name is the types of the electronic payment system. How many types of payments are available in the paying of the e-commerce business? Here, electronic payment system have become an integral part of the modern commerce. Nowadays, once upon a time, payment is different. Now, offering is convenience, security, and efficiency in the financial transaction. So, the e-commerce business we can provide the secure manner paying of the payment system. Okay. Here are some common types of the electronic payment system. Different types of the electronic payment system is there. In the older days, exchange the material and the rice replaced on the other material, other replaced on the another material like that. Some exchanges also there. And after that, we can choose the coins, different types of the coins, silver coins, gold coins. It depends upon the situation. Some coins also there in market. And after that, invented the currency notes. Currency notes also one of the better payment system. Nowadays also, most of the people, the literacy or illiteracy are increasing or decreasing, whatever may be. We can use the most of them in the currency payment. And after that, this era we can implement the digital payment only. Digital payments, one of the secure or convenience, okay, and effectively transfer the data or paying up the amount in the commerce business. Nowadays, the payment systems, most of them we can use the digital payments also. Like that, wallets or credit card or debit card, any online wallets also we can using the payment system. Here, the electronic payment system have become an integral part of the modern commerce. Nowadays, one of the vital role to play from the this system, offering convenience and security also. Authentication and authorization is for the security and efficiency mode also. Then after getting the transaction, automatically transaction ID also displayed in the financial transaction. Here, some common types of the electronic payment system, including one is the credit card and debit card system. Everybody having the credit card, and these two treated as a digital transactions only. There are the perhaps the most widely used electronic payment methodology globally. Cards are issued by the financial institutions and allow users to make purchases online in persons by either swiping, inserting, or tapping the card at the point of sale of terminals. So we can use the credit card and debit card. Any financial institutions or bankers, based on the account, we can issuing of these cards. Credit card nothing but before on that giving the credit, after paying of the amount later on we can paying of the credit card amount. Like that, debit card also you can general card we can pay the like a credit card type. Why? Because of these two is called the digital payment systems. Okay, I will explain the in details in the next class. And another one is the online banking. Online banking also one of the very important crucial thing in the e-commerce business. Before on that, online through internet, creating of the your password or ID and customer ID, customer password and ISB code, IFS code along with those informations, security is provided. For example, online banking, we can send the any amount, one person A to B, then followed some rules and regulations also there. First of all, going to the bank site, along with the user login and password, enter the some credential. And after that, OTP will be generated. Then going to the main login page. Then we can choose the who is the transferred person, who is the sender, who is the receiver, like that. We can choose and select it. Then after how much amount is transferred, which depends upon the situation. We are a marketing place or receiving whatever it may be, we can directly transfer the amount in a secure manner. Why? Because of once transferred the data, we can provide the good security. This security is called the single layer protocols are using some type of the encryption decryption protocols also implemented in the online banking. Here, online banking enable customers to initiate payments very easily, transfer the fund and manage their account through internet banking portals provided by the bank. This method often involved logging into a secure portal and authorizing transactions. So, online banking also one of the facilitations. We can provide the transaction transfer to the one account to another account very easily and securely. So, in a e-commerce business, most of them we can use the online banking system. After that, we can choose remaining systems also provided. Okay, and the first technique is called the how to pay the credit card, how to pay the debit card, and second one we can choose the e-commerce business. One of the best transactions should followed by the online banking system. Next one is the mobile payment. Nowadays, mobile payment also one of the important transactions from the any e-commerce businesses. It is the third type of the electronic payment system. Here, different types of the methods and apps are using. Based on the methods and the apps, we can transfer the data or payment one to other. Here, with the proliferation of the smartphones, mobile payment method have gained popularity. Nowadays, everybody having we can use the mobile apps. These include various apps or various like Apple Pay. It is the one of the app using the Apple Pay through transactions could be done. Then after Google Pay. Nowadays, most popular app is called the Google Pay. It is the it is also one of the security payment system. Another one is the Samsung Pay and others, and Phone Pay, etc. So many things there, which allows user to store their card information securely on their devices and make contactless payment in the store or online. So, mobile payment, we can choose the app or card or without card before the store the card information or authentication information. Then after transaction is very easy to way forward to the one to other. That is also one of the important payment system is called the mobile payments. Then after digital wallets. This is the another categorization of the electronic payment system. Digital wallets. Digital wallets also important thing. Now the digital wallets also known as a e-wallet, treated as a e-wallets, store payment card information and securely and allow users to make online purchases without entering their card details and each time. So before you can create the wallet, then transfer the amount along the some wallets, and one way, other way is the enter into the your card details, CVV numbers, and all those things. Then after paying is the very why because once save the data, transaction is very fast and quickly paid in the system. Example, PayPal also one of the best digital wallet system, and Venmo also another digital wallet system, and Skrill. So many things also there. Any wallets also, Amazon wallets is there, and ePay wallet, e-wallet. So many wallets is available. Any e-wallets treated as a digital wallets. Nowadays, to play from the digital wallets also one of the important. Without bank balance or without whatever. First, before on that, create the digital wallet. Wallet is there. Wallet treated as a nowadays cash or currency, whatever. So, digital wallets also one of the important aspects in the e-commerce business. Okay. Now, the types of the electronic payment system we can choose or selected the digital wallet is the one of the best option in the e-commerce business. Another important thing is called the cryptocurrency payment system. Nowadays, on the wallet base is the different way of dollars or rupees, etc. The common rupee systems are enhanced this era of technology. We can use is called the cryptocurrency payment. What is the cryptocurrency? The cryptocurrency such as the Bitcoin, one of the most valuable or expensive or very easy transaction of the cryptocurrency system is called the a Bitcoin. Entire data treated as a digital format or along with the digital signature and different digital format is there. Ethereum also one of the cryptocurrency, and Litecoin enable peer-to-peer transactions without the need of the intermediates like banks. Without banks, then transfer to the with help of the cryptocurrency payments. Very easy. Payment processor and merchants increasingly accept cryptocurrencies as a form of payment. Nowadays, most of them uh, business persons or receivers or senders, sellers, buyers or companies or whatever it may be, you can choose the cryptocurrency payment. Why? Because of cryptocurrency payment, remaining payments compared to this one, it is a very secure system. Entire treated as a digital systems. We hear one of the example is the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin currency is the secure from the remaining currency like dollar or rupee, whatever any digital currency. Nowadays, secure system should follow by the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and different types of the coins also there. Wow coin, so many coins is available. Here, the transactions which depends upon the peer-to-peer systems or peer-to-peer transactions without need of the internet like banks also. Not required in the banks. Directly, you can create the cryptocurrency wallet, then wallet to wallet, you can transfer to the some bitcoins or ethereums and litecoins is required. So nowadays, everybody we can the priority we can choose the priority is called the only cryptocurrency payment system. Then after bank transfer. Bank transfer in the online systems is the similar way. Online systems you can create the password and ID, and then you are transfer the one account to another account. Bank transfer nothing but you are depositing the physical currency. Bank persons or bank managers or bank officials, you can transfer to the officially your account to needed account. That is also one of the important transfers of the payment in the electronic payment system. Here, the electronic fund transfers (EFTs) treated as a EFTs. EFT stands for electronic funds transfers. Allow individuals and business to transfer money directly from one bank account to another bank account. So, this type of system is called the bank transfer systems. This can be done through online banking portal, mobile banking apps, or third-party services like PayPal also. Everything is there, but bank transfers along with the bank employee involvement, we can transfer to the one account to another account. It is the very secure transaction from the one type of electronic payment system. So these are the one of the important types of the payment system. And prepaid cards. What is the prepaid card? Prepaid cards nothing but a loaded the amount in before transaction. That such type of technique is called the prepaid card. Prepaid cards are loaded with a specific amount of funds and can be used for purchases until the balance is uh, depleted. Okay, such type of technique is called the prepaid card. These cards are not like to bank account and can be a convenient options for those without access to traditional banking services. That is also one type of method or way we can choose the electronic payment system. Name of the system is called the prepaid card. In the sense, before on that, loaded the card, okay, then those cards are utilized in the transaction time. It is also one of the way of the electronic payment system. And contactless payment system. Nowadays in the digital era, we can choose these entire treated as a digital format. We can choose the another important thing is called the contactless payment system. The contactless payment methods utilize near field communication NFC technology to enable transaction by the mapping or waving a card. Smartphone or wearable devices near a compatible payment of the terminals. So the contactless payment system method utilizes the near field communication. Nothing but you can use the NFC technology to enable the transaction by tapping. In a sense, we can create the some look like a one wallet. Based on the wallet, we can contactless payment. In the sense that is also one type of wallet. This wallet you can transfer the one app to another app. That is also another important technique from the electronic payment system. Here, another technical aspect of this electronic payment system, one of the important thing is called the peer-to-peer payment system or peer-to-peer payment application. This is also most secure and one of the important thing from the e-commerce business, how to pay the electronic payment system. Here, P2P, such type of technique is called the P2P payment apps, allow users to send and receive money directly from friends, families, or acquaintances. For example, include Venom, Cash App, and Jilly. Such type of systems also is available in the market. We can use this Venom, Cash App, and Jilly. That is also one type of advanced payment systems we can choose in the market. It is the another type of electronic payment system. Such type of technique is called the peer-to-peer payment apps. Nothing but a P2P payment application. It is the very how to send the money, how to receive the money directly, the transaction to the amount without involving the third party, without involving to the anybody, either bankers or friends or family, whatever it may be. It is the you can choose one of the security is more compared to remaining. You can choose the peer-to-peer or P2P payment system. Also one of the things. Nowadays, electronic checks is available. That is also another type of the electronic payment system is called electronic checks, e-check systems. Nowadays you can choose the only check system, but e-check is the different than the general check. E-check enable electronic versions of the traditional papers of the check to be proceeded, eliminating the need for the physical documents to be exchanged. The purpose of the electronic checks remove from the physical papers or physical processing systems. So, the eliminating the need for the physical documents to be exchanged. These are often used for the online bill payment and business to business transactions. So, electronic systems, it is the one of the most secure and convenient electronic payment system you can use in the commerce, people's or students or businesses who are using. These electronic payment systems offers various features and benefits. Category is the different needs and preferences of the consumer and business lives. So the electronic checks, nothing but a e-checks is the most crucial role could play from the business fulfill the business needs. It is the one of the security way from the electronic payment system. So electronic payment systems, electronic is one of the technique is called the electronic checks or e-check system. So this is also one of the better transactions from the e-commerce. Here, the types of the electronic systems, most of them we can choose these types of the methods. Every method is the very secure or authentication and authorization manner. So we can use such type of things. Why? Because of the types of the electronics business systems. It is the second module topic in the e-commerce. This type of modules is the very important. Why? Because of the transaction of the amount is the secure manner should followed by the this one. One is the credit card and debit card. It is the first important thing. Already nowadays you can choose or using of the such type of techniques, credit card and debit card or transactions is available on the market. And second one is the online banking systems. Online banking systems also we can use or choose the such type of systems. This type of transactions also nowadays available on the market. And third one is the mobile payment. That is the one of the common and most important transactions from the any persons are using the mobile payments like Google Pay or GPay, whatever it may be. You can use the such type of systems. And another one is the digital wallet. You can create the wallets, different types of the wallets based on the authenticated wallets. Wallet nothing but one type of digital currency. These currency we can use in the purchasing. For example, you can choose any Amazon marketing. For example, you want some needed peripherals or device, then selected the device with help of the cart. Then after selections is over, we can pay the transaction. Nothing but a amount is required. Then we can choose the Amazon wallet. Is there? No need of any card. Some funds is transferred to the digital wallet or Amazon wallets. Automatically, this amount is forward to the or transferred to the company. Deduct to the company. Your payment is done. Then getting the transaction bill also. So the digital wallet also one of the important aspect in the electronic payment system. Then after cryptocurrency payment. Cryptocurrency is the advanced nowadays. You can utilize the so many business persons or business magnates. This is also one of the important thing. Here, one of the special kind of the transaction of the value or amount is treated as a Bitcoin. Bitcoin, nothing but it is one of the more powerful currency compared to the remaining one. Most of them in the euro currency. You can choose the Bitcoin treated as a Bitcoin value, not for dollar or rupee extra. Like that, Ethereum also and Litecoin. These three, it is depends upon the euro-based currency values, enabling to peer-to-peer transaction without need for the interactions. So that is also one of the important thing. And bank transfers already discussed this one. We can secure manner in the EFT level, electronic fund transfer, allow to individual business and transfer the money directly from the bank account to another. These required things only with help of the bank employees is required in front of this transactions. And other important thing is called the prepaid cards. Nowadays you can create some gift card and prepaid cards. These cards also treated as a valid cards. With the help of these cards, you can transfer to the amount. It is also another important type of the payment system. So different types of the payments is transferred to the amount. We can choose the choosing of the wallet is very important thing in the e-commerce business. And contactless payment system also. Contactless payment nothing but here we can contact payment method replace the near field of the communication. Nothing but NFC. Already discussed in my previous video or previous slide. That is also one of the important technique from the electronic payment system. Here, finally, a few things also there. One of the technical aspect of the thing is called the P2P apps. That is also very advanced technique from the transfer of the data or amount one to other without involving the friends or family other ones. Here, from the electronics, finally, electronics checks and e-check systems. These are the different types of the payment systems in the market. Nowadays, most of them, it depends upon these transactions, it depends upon the customers and buyers or any businessman, it depends upon the system. So, this is the types of the electronic payment system. Everybody, online shopping also required. We can choose the any one method. Any method is the best security and easily transacting the amount in your bill. So we can choose any one. Then transaction is the very easy. Such type of techniques is called the electronic payment systems. Okay, this is the my references, and this is one is the Ravi Kalakata is the one of the important persons. Name of the author is the Winston and Ruby, and Francis is the Electronics Commerce. There is the Pearson Education is the first edition. Introducing of the first book is the 1996. Nowadays, some different types of the books is there. And Christopher Westland, another book is Global Electronics Commerce is the theory and case studies. Also, another book is there. It is also very helpful. Different types of the web references also there. Okay, references 1, 2, 3. This is also very helpful for the further correspondence or guidance of the students. Okay, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.